Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the set of 10 speed cube set, either 2x3, 3x3, 4x4, or 5x5. Got some of the pyramid, mega minx, skew mirror, IV windmill, sticker magic cube collection, puzzle cube toys. So let's go ahead and then unbox this. Wow, a box within a box. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Wow, look at that. Speed cube set. Let me give you guys a 360 view of the box. Hand-eye coordination, hands-on ability, imagination, attention. So these are made in China. It's a little handle right here for you to carry around. Go ahead and unbox this. Wow, look at that. Let's see. Let me give you guys the sneak peek real quick. And these are made in China. Come with the instruction right here for each cube. It's pretty smooth actually, so I'm not gonna mix it up because this birthday gift. So let's see, or Christmas gift. So that's that one right here. Guess that's 2x2. Hopefully I could put it back. Let's see. Again, you got the instruction. Wow, look at this one. This one is kind of weird. So this is a 3x3 with this irregular shape on the top. Wow. So I'm not going to open it since this is in the plastic wrap. And then there's this one right here. This crazy, wow, hopefully I'm not gonna mix it up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to mess it up. Oh no. Nice. Gonna put it back before I mess it up. Hopefully I can put it back later. Wow, this one's different. Again, got the booklet. It's like a football shape right in the middle. Okay. Wow, this one's 5x5. Wow. So actually, this is better than Rupert's cube. The way it rotates, pretty smooth. Again, got the instruction right here. I'm gonna put it back. There's another one right here. This is 4x4. Got the booklet again. Yeah, pretty smooth. And I'm not sure about this one. So with the different shapes. This is crazy. It's going to be a pretty challenge. There's this one. This is 3x3. Instruction again. It's 3x3. Nice. two more. So this one is the pyramid. Oh, and then there's the instruction in there. So check out this last one right here. Wow. It's almost like a ball. Instruction booklet here again. This one is a little bit thicker because it's more difficult. So it's like a Pentagon. And then they come with this, what's this one? Secret tutorial for magic cubes. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.